Caster shims in. We're hoping this is going to get us going down the road a little bit smoother and straighter at higher speeds, because I noticed when I hit like about 55, 60 in this car, it's pretty much using the whole lane. So it's not that fun. I'd rather have it go down the road straight. So we're going to get a set of, we're going to put a set of these together, put them on the car. I'll show you real quick how you do that. So what we did is loosened up all four of these. Make sure you don't take them all the way out. There's all four of these bolts here. And depending on the car, sometimes you want them on the top or the bottom. We're going to run them on the bottom and see how it goes. But because this car is lowered, a lot of times if it's raised, you want them on the top. So anyway, they just go right in here behind the beam. And all it does is space the bottom of the beam out a little bit. Then after you're all done, just tighten everything up. Both shims are already in there. It only takes a few minutes to do. Tighten them back up and you're good to go. Alright, so with the caster shims, I had this thing up to 70 and I could just let go of the wheel. It wants to center itself real nice. Giving it more caster can makes the car want to just go straight down the road, so it's really nice. It makes the steering a little bit heavier, but which you can't really have. You know, VW's steering was really light as it was, and I guess that was part of the reason they had them, was so little caster. But anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. But if you really wanted to get more stability into your car, I really would recommend giving them some caster. This caster shims really just did a wonder on this thing. Took it from a squirrel to a really stable driving car. Alright, so I'll talk to you next video.